Once you've got all of your videos uploaded in your course, you will then want to start to look, how does the actual course look? So the lessons and videos are cool, but what does the user actually see? And if we click on the preview eye button, this will kind of show you what it's looking like, which it looks like we've got some blank. Okay, we've got a white background, white text. We are going to want to have to make some changes on this. And okay, the course itself is going through. That bit's fine. But we want to change how the theme looks. So we've already set our primary colors for the black and the white, but let's just make a few changes. So if we go to customize, we can go click on customize again on the theme. And then you can see we have a few things we can change in the template itself. So we've got a hero banner here, but we don't have an image. So we can always just select a hero image banner there. Let's see how that looks. Let's just save that to make sure that's working. Okay, that's not working. It's because I've not noticed we've got an overlay color as well. So this button here is showing us that we have a white overlay over this. So if we turn this to black, we can then change the transparency. So remember in the website, we looked at this. So this bar here, we can drag it and it adds just adds a bit of opacity to it. So that looks quite cool already. And then we can choose what color we want our text, what the spacing is. You don't have to have a hero at all. You can take it off completely if you want to go straight into the course. And see what I mean about is how important it is to have thumbnails, because if you don't, it's going to look like that, which we don't want. So we're going to save this in the meantime. Other things to mention, so we can choose, if we want to show in the product syllabus, we want to show posts or categories. You can change some of the wording of this now to make sure it's kind of exactly the wording you want. We have a welcome body section, which we can change how we want to run through, if it's center, align. We can have a video, how we want it to show, so video blocks. We can upload a video just to kind of welcome everyone to the course. I don't think you need it. I'd recommend keeping this bit simple, but have a look through here and you can have a look and see if you want to show course progress. You can maybe try and sell other items. It's good just to have a play around with it and see what you want to add to this. So you could add an instructor. You can change your text, your image over this. And then when you're happy, you can save it. But just make sure there's none of the lorem ipsum standard text within there. And you'll also, click on the top bar and you can see how the post looks as well. So you can see how the individual lessons look. And it's very important to go through all of these. So we can just see, are we happy with the colors in here? You might want to go through the players and just change some of the language, change some of, the autoplay features, etc. There's loads of settings we can do in here to do post comments. You can access your paywalls as well, like we talked about earlier. Post player, yeah, that's brilliant. Breadcrumbs. Again, it's more about changing the kind of language used. And then also we have categories, so you can see how the categories are looking as well. It's really important to go through all of these and just to make sure it's looking how you want to, because we don't want the customers to go in and see standard lorem ipsum text and blank photos, etc. So have a good play through everything. But then after you've got all that sorted, you have a course which is ready and will look really great.